class here, and today we're making a braai pie. I'm busy cutting up the steak for the braai pie. We've got cheese, we've got chopped onion, we've got sauteed mushrooms, we've got crispy bacon, feta cheese, and of course our puff pastry. And your braai grill. One of these babies. So we'll take you through step by step how to make the braai pie. Rian's already put out the pastry on the braai grid. And we're going to make two little ones today. We're not going to make a big braai pie, we're going to make two baby ones. One for the girls and one for us. Stay tuned. So we put the cheese, Gouda cheese, on first. Sprinkle it on. Plenty. And we take our pieces of steak. Spread it around so everybody gets a bite. Next we take our sauteed mushrooms. I'm using my fingers because I can.
It smells stinky.
Don't you like mushrooms? Caramelized onions. Then we add a little bit of bacon, crispy bacon.
Nobody's there. No.
Our braai pie is going to be full of yummy, yummy goodness. And a little bit of black pepper feta cheese. That looks good. And now we put the top on.
Put it on.
Sit them on.
Make sure you fold the edges very nicely so that the filling does not come out.
And you stay into the fire. Pinch it. One braai pie.
Ready for the fire.
Wash it generously with egg. Geklik. My boereworst, is die vuur reg?
The fire is ready because it's a gas braai.
Give it about 15 minutes and then it will be ready.
Cleaning up is very important.
Mooi man. Maar goed.
Maar ons BraaiPaai is almost ready. Rian jive. Braai. Whoa, Marian, sit hom aan.
Hold it up, Marion.
BraaiPaai is ready.